Okay, hey guys, it is me and Bella. Bella's playing with her mouse. But we are doing the put your hand in the box challenge. I forgot what it's called. Anyways, Grandma over here has picked 5 items for us. To put in the box, and me and Bella will stick our hands into here, feel it, and try to guess what it is. Okay? Let the first item, let's turn around, let her put it aside. Okay, looks like she is...
Phone. Grandma phone.
What? You guessed it that fast?
No, you get mine.
Oof. It is. She gets 1 point. Good job, Bella. Let's turn around again. The girl will put in the second item. Okay, it has landed. Oh, I know how to say it. Oh, this is one of my favorite. Cliff Bar. Is it a Cliff Bar? Yes. Okay, me and Bella are tied here. Let's turn around for round 3. Okay, she has put it in.
My handband for my hair for my ponytail.
What? Oh my god. You were really good at guessing. Okay, round 4. Let's turn around. Face the wall. Right. And do this. It looks like she is.
I didn't look. I did not.
Come on, put your hand inside.
Chips?
What kind of chips? Oh, it's hot. Flaming hot Cheetos. Because I smelled it and it was burning. Okay. Me and Bella both have 2. This is the final round. Who decides who wins? Let's turn around.
No, look at what's happening.
She already put it in?
My bow for my clip.
What?
For my hair.
What? Okay. I guess Bella is the winner of today's challenge. Thank you for seeing our episode. Bye.
Mika.
What's that mouse's name again?
Uh,
Charles? Okay.